Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. This week we're showcasing urban industrial style, which is minimal, raw and uncluttered. This style has been developing since the early 20th century, when the trend to globalisation became more apparent. Many factories shut and moved their operations offshore, and as cities become more populated, industrial areas have been transformed into residential neighbourhoods. The urban industrial colour palette is neutral, saving bold hues for small details. Combinations of neutral colours create a clean, minimalist look. Charcoals, black, chalky whites and utilitarian greys alongside rustic timbers offer visual warmth. Architecturally, the interiors are spacious and opt for open-plan, flexible living. The key to this style is about revealing all the elements that most other design styles try to hide: exposed bricks, concrete, raw hardwood beams, iron rivets and ducting. Concrete and recycled timber floorboards maintain an authentic industrial look. These are softened by floor mats made of woven jute, sisal, leather, wool or vintage silk Persian rugs. For a modern edge, consider installing industrial-style floor tiles or vinyl flooring in select areas to juxtapose the roughness of the raw materials. Most industrial-style lighting is made of metal and recycled glass, featuring a combination of pendant lights and lamps with wide and low-hanging shades. Use reclaimed vintage fittings to honour the history of the architecture wherever possible, and track lighting for ambiance. Articulated, multi-directional floor, wall and table lamps of brass, cast iron or metal with exposed filament bulbs are good choices. A design feature of this style is the oversized iron frame windows, enabling abundant natural light which softens the space whilst maintaining an edgy, bold feel. Urban industrial style furniture is fundamentally functional, repurposed and minimal. Opt for pieces that prioritise texture, comfort, functionality and generous proportions. Time-worn leather Chesterfield sofas, oversized linen sectionals, leather upholstered dining and armchairs, recycled timber and iron desks, trunks, tables and stools. Storage options include minimalist metal and timber bookcases and vintage workroom lockers. Kitchen counters and consoles are constructed from formed concrete, complemented by recycled timber with iron hardware. use of soft furnishings in plush cushions, woolen throws and textural European bed linen offers comfort against the bolder architectural elements. Metal hardware adds sheen in brass, steel or chrome and can be combined and repeated in different rooms for consistency. Contemporary abstract art, old maps, photographs, vintage posters and mirrors are large and mounted either at or above eye level to draw the eye up, adding visual balance to the lofty ceilings. Use a curated placement of more masculine styled accessories to decorate. These can include salvaged factory parts for the ultimate conversation starter, vintage globes, trophies, clocks and books, photographs and distressed leather finds. When it comes to greenery, the bigger the better. Large structured plants such as cacti, ficus and succulents, alongside oversized fiddle-leaf figs, are positioned in nearly every room for living energy and can be thoughtfully placed to fit any large gaps of negative space. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these urban industrial design tips in your home. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.